Hello friends, welcome back with a new video. In this video I am going to discuss about the top 10 largest countries by population as of Saturday 2nd May 2020. The current world population is about 7.78 billion. Now I am going to talk about the top 10 largest countries by population as of Saturday 2nd May 2020. Watch the entire video without any skip because it's going to be very informative. So let's start the video. Number 10. Mexico, a country in North America, is in the 10th position. The current population of Mexico is about 128.7 million. Population of this country is equivalent to 1.65% of the total world population. The population density of Mexico is 66 per square kilometer. 83.8% of the population is urban. The median age in Mexico is 29.2 years. Number 9. Russia. Russia is in the 9th position. The current population of the Russian Federation is about 145.92 million. Russia population is equivalent to 1.87% of the total world population. The population density of this country is 9 per square kilometer. 73.7% of the population is urban. The median age in Russia is 39.6 years. Number 8. Bangladesh, a country in South Asia. Bangladesh is in the 8th position. The current population of Bangladesh is about 164.4 million. Bangladesh population is equivalent to 2.11% of the total world population. The population density of this country is 1265 per square kilometer. 39.4% of the population is urban. The median age in Bangladesh is 27.6 years. Number 7. Nigeria, a country in West Africa. Nigeria is in the 7th position. The current population of Nigeria is about 205.25 million. Nigeria population is equivalent to 2.64% of the total world population. The population density in this country is 226 per square kilometer. 52% of the population is urban. The median age in Nigeria is 18.1 years. Number 6. Brazil, a country in South America. Brazil is in the 6th position. The current population of Brazil is about 212.3 million. Brazil population is equivalent to 2.73% of the total world population. The population density in this country is 25 per square kilometer. 87.6% of the population is urban. The median age in Brazil is 33.5 years. Number 5. Pakistan, a country in South Asia. Pakistan is in the 5th position. The current population of Pakistan is about 220.16 million. Pakistan population is equivalent to 2.83% of the total world population. The population density in this country is 287 per square kilometer. 35.1% of the population is urban. The median age in Pakistan is 22.8 years. Number 4. Indonesia, a country between the Indian and Pacific Ocean. Indonesia is in the 4th position. The current population of Indonesia is about 273.04 million. Indonesia population is equivalent to 3.51% of the total world population. The population density in this country is 151 per square kilometer. 56.4% of the population is urban. The median age in Indonesia is 29.7 years. Number 3. The United States of America. The United States of America is in the 3rd position. The current population of the United States of America is about 330.68 million. The United States population is equivalent to 4.25% of the total world population. The population density in this country is 36 per square kilometer. 82.8% of the population is urban. The median age in the United States 38.3 years. Number 2. India, a country in South Asia. India is in the 2nd position. The current population of India is about 1.38 billion. India population is equivalent to 17.7% of the total world population. The population density in this country is 464 per square kilometer. 35% of the population is urban. The median age in India is 28.4 years. Number 1. China, a country in East Asia. China is in the 1st position. The current population of China is about 1.44 billion. China population is equivalent to 18.47% of the total world population. The population density in this country is 153 per square kilometer. 60.8% of the population is urban. The median age in China is 38.4 years. Thanks for watching the video.